false claims of Pakistan's victory in the military standoff during Operation Sindoor. He's the same man who used abusive language for Indian Army post the barbaric Pahalgam attack, calling them Nalayak and Nikamme. Afridi had the audacity to shield Pak-sponsored terrorism by suggesting that any incident in India is blamed on Pakistan. In fact, he had shamelessly stated, and let me quote, "Even if a firecracker were to burst in India, fingers will always be pointed at Pakistan." Now, this very man has been felicitated at a cultural event in Dubai. What's shocking is that this event has been hosted by Indians, that too from Kerala. It's an alumni association called the Cochin University BTech Alumni Association. Look at that video on your screen as they all break out in loud cheers. Not only are they cheering Afridi, they are also chanting his nickname Boom Boom when he addressed the gathering. And in his brief address, Afridi, the anti-India cricketer, has been praising Kerala and its cuisines, raising the question, is Kerala any different from India, the very country he has slammed post-Operation Sindoor? Netizens have been quick to point out that patriotism has gone for a 6. The Alumni Association of Kerala College has now issued a statement after the social media backlash, saying Afridi's appearance was unannounced. However, the organizers, Cuba, could not explain why all of them immediately burst into these chants of boom boom after his arrival, and why he was not even asked to leave immediately. Why are India haters receiving a hero's welcome, if not in India, in Dubai?